Hey everyone, Magpie here and welcome to the final part of my series of the Hunt unboxing and reviews. I've absolutely loved this so far and I hope that you loved it too. But we're going to end up with probably my favourite, taco. Absolutely love it. Let's get into it. So it is 2021 taco. It's got metal at the top. And there he is there, looking amazing on the artwork. There's little taco in his little box. If you can hear footsteps in the background, it is just me dog wandering around while I'm filming this. As seen in Cars 3, and there he is there. So let's go ahead and for the final time this series, open it up. And hopefully it'll be a nice clean opening this time. Because again, like I said, I like to keep the card back, so I try to open the boxes almost as clean as I can. So that's why it might take a while to actually unbox it, but I'd rather have a while to unbox and have a good quality card back than rush it and like that's a nice clean opening there. So let's get him out. Have a little look. I'm gonna just put that over there. Yes, mate, I love this. He is a taco on wheels. Absolutely love it. So we'll start at the front here. He's like happy. He's a lot more happier than what Bill and Jambalaya are. He's loving life, really. He is number 4. I love like the detail, and yes, I know my favourite catchphrase is coming up. The best thing about the Demolition Derby cars, say it with me, is the texture. And this is amazing. I love the way that they kind of mould the cars to make them different. We are going to compare him here to... what's this guy called again? Pushover? Is this Pushover? Give it a second here. I've got his card back here. Pile Up. It's Pile Up. This is Pile Up. We're going to compare the Pile Up because they both have a kind of slanted back. But yeah, going back to him, it's got like a nice taco colour. The colour of a taco with like some fillings inside colours. Number 4, it's got some nice crosses on the windows. I love the wheels. I like this kind of like one of them's like tread and one of them's smooth. What did I say? Towings 5550124. I wonder if you're in that number what it'll come up with. That's nice. So obviously going on to the back, he has got this raised bit to form his taco shape. Same on the other side as the previous side, apart from the numbers now in a different place. This is on the side here. The name's on the side, but the number's now going down that bit. I love the design. I love the way they've put the thing up the back here. And going on to the base, made in Thailand, and I believe that is the 47th week of 2020 in Factory A, which I believe is the same as Mama Bernoulli. Where's your code? Yeah, these are made in the same factory in the same week. That's amazing. I really like that. That's really good. Oh, I just love him. I love the way that they make curves and dents and change the shape of the Demolition Derby cars. It's actually incredible. So we're going to compare him to... who did I say this was? Pile Up? Obviously he's got one more curve at the front, but the reason why I wanted to compare these two is simply because of the back. Because they both have like a raised up back. So obviously you've got the tacos is longer. But it's the way that Mattel managed to do this is actually incredible. And like, this is a prime example of one of the things that I love the most about Demolition Derby racers. Is not just the texture, but where they can sculpt and mould and add in dents and breaks and bends and everything. It's something that I actually admire about how they make these cars. And from the top, obviously, it's kind of bent there. number 4. I love him. Absolutely love him. So this is the end of my little series, looking over my hunt cars from my hunt video about 5 weeks ago when you're watching this. Like I said, I have all block filmed this, so it was only yesterday to me when I went out and about. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you thought of this series in the comments down below. Let me know out of these which is your favourite. I love them all. I think that I was edging towards Bill and Metallic Snovrod, but now I think it's Taco. Absolutely love him. I hope that you've enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Keep an eye on the channel for more hunts, unboxings, reviews and showing off of my collection. I appreciate all your support. I hope that you've all enjoyed these videos. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.